So it's another day, another ride, another interesting place to explore. So welcome back to my channel, guys. I know it's been a while that I've gone for a ride. Uh, Life, as you know, sometimes gets busy with few things, so इसलिए नहीं जा पाया. तो आज हम लोग actually, me and Marcos, we're not going to go for a solo ride. We're actually going for a short ride actually, but also for a small trek with one of my best buddies, Prasad, who's a mountain man, as I can call him in a funny way, because he keeps going for a lot of these treks, and we have been going actually previously also. Like it's been like so many years, like maybe more than 7 or 8 years since we have gone for a ride or gone for a treks. We used to go for a lot of these interesting trekking actually, across Maharashtra back then. So stay tuned for the video. I mean, it's not going to be like a complete moto vlog sort of thing. So I'm really looking forward to it, and it's been a while that even I myself has challenged myself when it comes to doing such interesting activities. So yeah, it's going to be fun. So just stay tuned. So I'm on my way to meet him. So we have fixed a meeting point, and told that we'll meet there. So yeah, I'll see you all later. And also I've installed these fog lights from Mad Dog, because it was much needed, because the visibility when you're riding in the night with these stock headlights, it's very poor. So that will be tested in a much better way. Right now we don't need the fog lights, because as a street light it's well lit. So we're still getting ready, and that's my bro Prasad, and he's just making sure everything is fixed, and we are ready to say hi. So we're headed towards Karnala Fort, which is about 1 hour from Mumbai, after Panvel. So it's a small, I wouldn't say small, but bird sanctuary actually, and there's a good enough spot to do some trekking as well. So that's what the plan is. So it's just a short ride. Cholo. अच्छा हाँ, मैं तेरे पीछे आ जाऊँगा, चलेगा. So off we go. It's after a very long time that I'm so it's after a very long time I'm going for a ride with someone. So an Xpulse and a Himalayan, a jodi that is made for each other, kind of. Well, both are like one of the most capable yet affordable adventure bikes in India right now. Hopefully we won't encounter too much traffic. So weather is really good actually to ride, and hopefully since the last 2 days it's not raining too much, so I hope it stays that way, because we are planning to take some good pictures and also drone shot obviously. So let's see. Wow. that's a view I was kind of missing for the last 1 month. But look at that, the golden hour, right? So that's where we are going. You see that mountain on top of there. See that mountain? So that's where we are going actually. That's a Karnala fort. That's why I said it's a very short ride, but what I'm looking forward to is the short trek that we are going to take. You can see a lot of bikers today, Saturday here. So everybody is out to recharge themselves after a grinding week. That's my brother, Prasad, on his Xpulse. I don't know. I'm not a big fan of these, set. What is it called? What do you call that? The top box. Yes, the top box. Not a big fan of top box. I'd rather carry a soft luggage, and especially if you're doing off-road or anything like that, soft luggage is better than hard one like these, unless you do a lot of touring, like 90% touring, which most people like me do. But I still prefer the soft luggage, even though it takes a bit of time, and this actually helps in terms of solving the luggage issue. You don't have to carry a bag all the time. Like all the utilities and miscellaneous stuff can be put into this box, and you can carry it around. So that's the one thing. Let's see, like maybe one day I might change my mind and go with the top box. So not far, another just 4 or 5 kilometers more to go. Yeah, I think we are here. Not sure it's still open or not, but let's see. You can already see a lot of people. जल्दी आ गया ना. So this is a place where we are going to do the trek today. My friend said that it might take around 2 hours to reach on top. So let's see. It's a bird sanctuary basically. So look at this thing. So they had tested. Very peaceful, and it's well maintained. And I hope that I wish that every place was as maintained and thoroughly kept in a good condition like this. So it's going to be a long walk, but it's going to be fun. See that on top? That's where we are going. easy as it looks, but we'll keep going.